Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we have discussed how can we create a new file, how can we open an existing file, how can we save our file, and how can we close our MS file. If you didn't watch my previous videos, you can watch the video from the link given below in the description. Now in this video, we will learn how to navigate a file, how to use MS Word interface. So before watching video, please subscribe to my channel. Let's start. How to navigate a file. Let me tell you what is the word navigate basically. There is maximum space which is taken where you can write the text, insert pictures, logos, watermarks, and many more things here. The next thing is, if you see on the top is quick access toolbar, the only toolbar available in MS Word 2007, 2010, 2013 and 2016. This toolbar is known as quick access toolbar or QAT. Below that, if you see is there are tabs like File, Home, Insert, Design, Page Layout. These are different tabs here and each tab contains different options on the ribbon. This area is called ribbon. If you want to use maximum space here and you want to hide this ribbon, you just double click on the Home tab. See, when I double click on this Home tab, the ribbon hides. To get it back, again we double click on Home tab and the ribbon gets back. So in this way, you can hide and show the ribbon itself. The other shortcut, if you click on this, on the right hand side, if you click on this arrow, the ribbon get hide. Again, we double click on the Home tab and the ribbon comes back. If you do not have the mouse, then you can use shortcut key Control F1. You see that when I press Control F1 from the keyboard, the ribbon hides. So I again press Home tab. Now below is the status bar. It gives the status. It says on which page you are working right now. Like it says that I am on page 1 of 1. I have total 1 pages in this file and I am working on page 1. So this is the status of page. Next is words. How many words on the screen? It says 36 words. All the words on this page are 36. If I remove this word, you can see that the status is changed. Now there are 35 words. Again, if I type words, now the status is changed and there are 36 words. Next is language. Which language you are using? Like here, English, United States. So this will give you a status at any point. And if you keep on adding the words, you see the status is changed. Now that is a status bar. On the right hand side, there is a zoom bar where you can zoom and see the screen. The size of font, if it is very small, we make it large. So you can zoom out and see the text which is written on the place like this. If we press zoom in, the font gets closer, the screen gets larger. If we click on zoom out, the screen gets smaller and the font size gets smaller. So this is zoom bar. The last 3 things which is given here, let's see one by one. This is read mode. When I keep cursor on this place, it says read mode. When I click on this read mode, like this. Now you can only read this. You cannot click and type anything from keyboard. We will only work as a read mode. The next is print layout, which is available here. If you want to go out for a print, what should be the layout? The headers, the footers, text color. From here you can see everything. You can change the text, like if I want to remove this word and if I want to write sentence, we can change it. We can change the colors, like if we want to change the text color, we can change the colors from this option. So in print layout, we can change anything. Next is web layout. When you want to display, this is web layout. When you want to display this page on the website, so how does it look? If I click on this web page layout, you see it becomes very large from both sides. So it will look on the website like this. I hope you have understood what we learned today. So that's all for this. Keep watching for next videos.